give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts.
Bigyan niyo na lang ako task, kuya.
Para?
Mayroon, mabigyan ko siya ng video greet galing sa mommy niya.
The sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say, I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see.
Ano nga naman. Sobrang lawak ng mundo. Isipin mo, dito pa tayo nagkita. Oh. Kuya talaga. Hindi kaya matutana ito, no? Na tayo talaga sa isa't isa. Naisip mo ba yun?
I miss someone. You're on my side when
Hindi niya ako pinapansin buong araw.
Hindi mo ako pinapansin mo ka. Hindi pinapansin.
Papansinin niya lang ako pag lalapit ako.
Diretso mo kasi sa kanya.
Nasanay ka lang. Nasanay ka lang.
and suddenly the madness starts. If you're smart, your face, your lips.
Sabi mo rin naman dyan sa freedom, bro. Nakakatuwang pakinggan, no? Ako ang best man mo.
Yeah, he's my best man. You're my best man.
Best friend.
Kaya mahal na mahal kita.
Changes everything you see. What I know about you. With me.
Mawala ha, antayin niyo siya.
I wanna thank also JM for also one of my for being one of my support system.
The sweet little lies that tell.
Kung gano'n tayo ka-close dito, when pa din sa labas, kaya magbabago.
It's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything we see. When I know I've got you. With me.
Always think positive kasi andun ako sa likod niya. Napala.